Oh no! Oh no! No, no, no! No! Hi, I just missed the train. The next is, the rail replacement bus service. I'm sorry, I can't talk right now. Well, since you asked, basically whilst everyone else is larking about having the time of their 4-day weekender lives, I'll be sat on a bus next to a man who, I'll bet my life, about 20 minutes in, will whip out an egg sandwich. Not a euphemism. Oh, come on. How many times have we been here? It's the Easter holidays, everyone's on the move, visiting friends and family all up and down the country, so obviously that's the perfect weekend to rip up the tracks. It's not like anyone wants to go anywhere. Look, it's not about the bus. I like buses, but if I buy a bus ticket from a bus company, it's significantly cheaper than if I buy a train ticket from a train company. So, if I'm now doing part of the journey by bus, why isn't the overall ticket price cheaper? Do you know?
What?
No one knows. They say it's a replacement, but it's not a replacement, is it? Because it's a different thing. If I had a heart transplant and they went, oh, we've finished, we've replaced it with a kidney, is that all right? It's a replacement. I'd say, not really. If I went into a pub and asked for a pint of beer and they went, there you go, mate, it's a pint of water, is that all right? It's in the same glass, it's a replacement. I'd say, not really. At least the original tickets are nice and cheap. I can get all the way from London to Manchester for only 5 times the price of a ticket from Paris to Berlin. What? And it's literally an app? Well, why didn't no one tell me that? Right, I'm going back home because apparently these days you can borrow a mate's car and sort out temporary car insurance on your phone in 2 minutes. Are you joking? Absolutely not. Not with the eggs. Fear not, my friends, with Tempcover you can avoid the engineering works and listen to Taylor Swift out loud and in peace. Yeah, I'm a Swiftie. And luggage. That was close. Don't know why I didn't think of Tempcover. It's on my suitcase.